How to update Instagram app to get the map feature. First of all, open the App Store on your device, either Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, and make sure you are signed into your account. Then search for the Instagram in the search bar. Once you find the Instagram app, check if there's an update button available. If you see it, tap Update to download the latest version of the app. This ensures you have all the newest features including the Instagram map. If you don't see the update button, don't worry, your app is already up to date. After the update is complete, open the Instagram app and sign into your account if needed. Tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen or from the middle of the bottom navigation bar to open your inbox. At the top of the inbox, you should now see the map option. Tap Map to access it. If Instagram asks for location permission, make sure to allow it so you can use the map feature. Once enabled, you can explore the new Instagram map and see posts from friends and nearby locations. If you don't see the map option after updating, try closing the app and reopening it or restarting your device. Sometimes a fresh start is needed for new features to appear. Now you know how to update Instagram app to get the map feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.